Since my intention is increasing manufacturing via advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion tech, particularly in the industrialized nations, I often think about how AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion tech will increase manufacturing in America, Canada, Western Europe, Australia, Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan. Chances are, as AI and robotics advance more, they will be used more and more in first world manufacturing on Earth and in outer space. A quick advertisement before I continue on this topic. You can invest in my startup company with as little as $100 for supporting advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion powered outer space tech. Visit robocentric.com/investors to invest in my startup. I have a multi-decade commitment to advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion powered outer space tech. To learn more about my cause, check out my books, which are available at robocentric.com/checkout, Amazon, Apple Books, Spotify, and other online audiobook retailers. Now back to the main content. I ask, what will America, Canada, Britain, France, Germany, Italy, Australia, Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan manufacture more via using the next generation AI and robotics technologies? America's manufacturing output in AD 2021 was $2.5 trillion. Canada's manufacturing output in AD 2021 was $582 billion. Britain's manufacturing output in 2021 was $503 billion. France's manufacturing output in AD 2021 was $262.64 billion. Germany's manufacturing output in AD 2021 was $803.21 billion. Italy's manufacturing output in AD 2021 was $314.10 billion. Australia's manufacturing output in AD 2021 was $86.15 billion. Japan's manufacturing output in AD 2021 was $879 billion. South Korea's manufacturing output in AD 2021 was $461.10 billion. Taiwan's manufacturing output in AD 2021 was $240 billion. The collective manufacturing output of all the aforementioned industrialized nations was $6.6 trillion. China's manufacturing output in AD 2021 was $4.9 trillion. Labor-intensive manufacturing requires a large amount of labor to produce each good. Capital-intensive manufacturing requires a large amount of investment to produce a good and thus have a high percentage of fixed assets, such as property, plant, and equipment. My bet is that the upcoming advances in AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion tech will enable vastly more labor-intensive manufacturing output in the industrialized nations, as well as more capital-intensive manufacturing output on Earth and in outer space. I keep working on advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion-powered outer space tech to vastly increase the first world manufacturing output on Earth and in outer space. You can invest in my startup company with as little as $100 for supporting advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion-powered outer space tech. Visit robocentric.com/investors to invest in my startup. My books on advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion-powered outer space tech are available at robocentric.com/checkout, Amazon, Apple Books, Spotify, Google Play Store, and other online audiobook retailers. I am Alan Young. I'm an Asian American man who focuses on advancing AI, robotics, human longevity, biotech, and nuclear fusion-powered outer space tech. Message me or call me anytime on the social media if you would like to discuss investing in my high-tech startup.